Thank you for joining me today. I'm so excited that you're here. Give us a big thumbs up. The Adventures of Colty Kitty and the Dump Truck. Once upon a time, there was a farm. And on this farm was Colty Kitty. Colty Kitty has a big job to do today. The pigs need more dirt for their mud puddles. He has to move dirt to the other side of the farm. Colty Kitty loves driving his dump truck. It is always so fun. It is always and a lot of work. And a lot of work. And the pigs were so happy to see more dirt for their mud puddle. For their mud puddle. They love to splash in the mud. They love to. The pigs were so happy. They let Colty Kitty splash in their mud puddle too. Colty Kitty and his pig friends had so much fun. Colty Kitty and his pig friends had. But it was time to go home. Colty Kitty had a fun day working hard. Colty Kitty and helping his pig friends. Do you like to help your friends? Do you like to help your friends? Thank you for reading with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Give me a big thumbs up and make sure to like and subscribe.